my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to talk with you a new topic of inter first year, nothing but the chapter name is pair of straight lines from Max B. So let's try to solve one question which is most important and will be repeated in every examinations. So let's try to solve that question. That question is nothing but the topic is pair of straight lines. Okay, this is 1B topic. So in this topic we are going to learn one question which is more useful. Please try to understand. So the question is as follows. They have given that first one. There they have given that point of intersection of the curve. They have given that given curve is what is the given curve? I am writing here x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Like this one curve is given. We should write that curve as it is. So name it as equation 1. Next write given line is. What is the given line? Right here. Here the given line is x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0. X minus y minus root 2 equal to 0. Now before naming it as equation number 2, you should make here 0 as 1. Okay, right hand side it must be 1. Like that we should make it as 1. So take this constant, this number to that side, so it becomes plus. So x minus y equal to root 2. Now for here I should get plus 1. So for which number I should divide by that? Nothing but by root 2 only. If I divide I will get plus 1. So x minus y by root 2 gives you 1. So this is the second equation. Whenever you got here 1, then only you should keep it as, you should name it as equation number 2. Now you should write two lines here, nothing but let a comma b be the point of intersection. POI is nothing but point of intersection of the equation 1 and 2 of the equation 1 and 2 joining the, let a comma be the point of intersection of the equation 1 and 2 joining OA comma OB homogenizing 1 with 2. First of all, this sentence should be written, this line should be written. First of all, nothing but let a comma be the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2 joining OA comma OB homogenizing 1 and 2. After writing this, first of all take equation 1, write it as it is x square minus xy plus y square. After this write 3x plus 3x. Now this 3x can be written as 3x into 1. In the same way 3y can be written as 3y into 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 can be written as 1 square equal to 0. Okay. So here nothing I have done. Only 3x I took it as, I multiplied 3x and 3y by 1 and constant by 1 square. Okay, like that's it. Now in the place of 1 and 1 square substitute this one. So you will get x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x into what is 1? X minus y by root 2 plus 3y into x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. Okay. So now drop this equation same, x square minus xy plus y square plus Now take this root 2 outside, so it becomes 1 by root 2 and multiply 3x into. So 1 by root 2 into 3x square minus 3xy. Okay. Now plus take 1 by 2 again, 1 by root 2 into 3xy minus plus into minus 3y square minus. Now 2 into this, if you do squaring on both sides, squaring for root 2, it becomes 2. So if I take by this out, here now 2 will be cancelled, so 2 by 2 will be here, and next is x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 0. Now this will be cancelled. Okay, until here you have understood, please note it down. Now take 1 by root 2 common and mix these both equations. So x square minus xy plus y square plus 1 by root 2 common, 3x square minus 3xy, here plus 3xy minus 3y square minus x square minus y square plus 2xy equal to 0. Here if you see, minus x square and plus x square cancel, plus y square and minus y square cancel, here minus 3xy plus 3xy cancel. So what are the remaining left? You write it down now. Okay, so minus xy plus 1 by root 2 into 3x square minus 3y square plus 2xy equal to 0. Okay, so now here until here you have written now 2x minus 2xy, here root 2 there, no, multiply first of all 2xy minus xy gives you 1 by root 2 into 3x square minus 3y square minus 2xy minus xy plus xy equal to 0. Now multiply this root 2 with this one, so it becomes 3x square minus 3y square plus root 2xy equal to 0. Right until here. I will continue after erasing. Okay, so I hope you have completed. Now I am going to erase these two lines, so I am going to continue here only. So okay, now after completing this step, you should they said us to prove that they are mutually perpendicular. For proving that perpendicular, you should do x square coefficient plus y square coefficient should be 0. If we do x square coefficient plus y square coefficient, the equation, then the answer should be we should get equal to 0. Then the answer is correct. Okay, so now here x square coefficient is 3 and y square coefficient is minus 3. So x square is 3 and y square, so plus of minus 3. 3 plus into minus 3. 3 minus 3 gives you 0. So here therefore the given lines are mutually perpendicular. Okay, so this is the ending point you have to write. Okay, first of all given must be written and this equation, then at the last after proving it is 0, you should write that the given lines are mutually perpendicular. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share to my channel, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video. Until next video, bye bye.